Right, what's happening, boys and girls? Well, once again, Toon Tony's magical, fantastical treasure hunting adventures. In the day, we're in the riverbeds, looking for lost treasure. Right, you beautiful lot. I've only been in here 5 minutes. Oh, that would have been lovely, that, you know. John Jobson. Goosburn, Newcastle, genuine extra stout. So we've had that bit. Bit of a half pint, I think. A clear pipe. I've never seen it this low. Right, just clocked that. See it? Ring. What's that? Like a skull, skeleton hand holding a book. But I like that. 2 minutes. 2 minutes, I'll get this bit of tape off it. Right, I can't see any stamps in it. Doesn't look silver. Alright. Canny? Canny? Anybody know this one? Walton, Maine, maybe Linethorpe or Milton, Maine, I don't know. I'm not sure what that is. Oh, what's that? What the heck's that? This is the kind of stuff we're looking for, kids. We probably said North Shields or South Shields. Bit of bottle. Green. You're seeing bits like that, you know, you're in the right place. Well, it wouldn't be a river lock if we didn't find one of them, would we? Just a plain one, or is it a GPO? It's a plain one. Yeah, little insulator. Right-o. It's a small one, not very small. Look clean off. Oh, it doesn't want to come out. Oh, there we go. Oh, it's going to be hard to see which one it is. Nah, I'm not going to get any names off that. I think it may be wood, I'm not sure. I'm sure it's Bakelite or wood. But aye. Right, just a quick one. Just to ask you who's watching, could you please hit the subscribe button? New rules starting from 1st of February, I think, where you've got to have so many watch hours, so many shorts, it's something like 20 million. YouTube have literally doubled the numbers, what you've got to have every 3 months. So if you could, please hit the subscribe. hit the like button. It helps the channel out massively. Keeps it going, you know what I mean, basically. So thank you very much, love you all. Right, it's an old steering wheel in it. That's an old one, that, kids. What do you reckon it's off? Eh? Obviously a car. That's an old one, isn't it? Anybody tell me what they think that's off? What car, eh? Right, that's a question for you. Looks like a tennis racket, that. Is that a tennis racket? Nah, it's a barrel clamp. Ah, it's been a barrel clamp. Clamp there. But aye, anybody knows what cars are off, let me know. Comment below. Comment below. Right, so I was finding loads of the GPO insulators, didn't we? This is what they sat on, kids. See if I can perch it. So basically, see all the holes. This is all the fittings. So basically the insulators would have went on the end of there. So that would have been straight. Insulator on the top there, one there, one there, one there. You see the holes? That's part of it, if you can see it. Alright, so there would have probably been 5 or 6 of them on a pole coming downwards. There would have just been loads of insulators. So there you can. Learn something new every day, haven't you? That's come with me. I like that. I'm going to chop the end off and use it as a probe. The cognacs solid. Straighten the bottom up. Oh, there. Might be bending it already, I'm not sure. But if it stays straight, I'll use it as a probe. So that is what I was trying to tell you about before, the GPO. Not a plain one. But that's the insulators. That's what screws on. That's what they are. So you can put the two and two together now. Obviously it's a broken one. But that's what they are. And what have we here, boys and girls? It's the lesser spotted Geordie blue tit. Very, very rare in these parts. Almost extinct. We've been privileged to see one. Oh, just look at its colours. Just got a few bits here together. It's a nice bit of, I'm not sure it would have been a bowl or a cup. Maybe a bit big for the cup. Be a nice bowl. I think these are off the old bathtubs. I think that would have screwed into your bath. That would have been the ring. I don't know, it could have been of anything, but that's what I think. Especially when I found the plug further up. A bit of clear pipe. And jar lid. Natalie and Co. St. Helens, I think it says. St. Helens. Aqua. Any cooler ones? We'll take that, definitely. That's an old one. Old Victorian drain pipes. Cast iron. That's some lovely flower design coming up the side. Probably there and there. Look on the two sides. Snapped off there. Yeah, they didn't make them like they used to. Little handle. Not exciting, but can reuse that. I'm all for upcycling. I don't mind a bit of that. Well, yeah, why not? And here we have, guys, a trail camera. It'd be for the deer. Well, it could be for anything, but good to see. And whoever it is who's recording it, my name's Tony. I come in the rivers about 40 years. It's about 6, 7 year old I've been coming in these rivers. And I now do river larking, mud larking, clean the rivers, find artefacts, stuff like that, bits of history. So aye, Tony treasure hunting, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. There you go. Well, I know I'm not done with the kids, but even I know that's iPods in it. Ooh. I'm sure my daughter needs a case. She lost her case. That looks like it's still got charge in them. So, Lauren, if they're the right ones, there you go, pet. Still work, I've got the light on. Hey, happy days. Yeah, bring his arm out a little bit. Just show you. If you've seen us in these roads before, they're never this low. You could just, well, you can never normally see the complete bottom like this. You know, you've usually got to bend over, really either use a see-through bucket to see the bottom, or you've got to really stop and just try and catch the light properly. It's just, you can see everything. What's that? Is that a knife? It's a knife shape, isn't it? See what I mean? You just see everything. It's a knife. No, it's not. Just a bit of metal. What's that? Bit of strapping. I'll keep his on, no, see if there's any luck to us. Aye, as much as I love the metal detecting, it's just too hot, too dry. It's so hard to get any signals, and the machine seems like it's falsing a lot as well now when it's that dry. It's just, I think I done 5 or 6 hours a couple of weeks ago, and I won't go back till we've had a good rain. It was an absolute waste of time. So I will be doing a bit of detecting in the rivers. I've detected rivers a few times, I've had some nice stuff, but it's hard going. You know, you can imagine, you're trying to go through all this kind of stuff, you know. But it can be rewarding. Let's see, note on here. Well, maybe there's normally something, usually something on that little bend there. What I bring is in. It's always the same, isn't it? Always the same. But aye, to save the video, this is where we're heading. Look at all this one is usually underwater. Lovely jubbly. Can you see the find? Can you see the find? It's the first one. I've got it stop it in, it's ours. This looks like a plain one, like. But these things are usually hard to see because, as I say, the river normally comes like right up to the bush line. You can see. So that's the first one of the day, kids. On the next. Little padlock. Not an old one, but we'll take it out. We'll take it out. Well, that's of a bath. Bath or a sink. One of the two in it. It's quite wide. Canny size, so I'm going to say a bath. What if I know? I'm not sure. My sink's about the same size as that. Not sure. With a little bike reflector. It's plastic, so we'll take it out. I'm going to take it down the edge to show you how dry it is. Look. This is normally water up the wall. This is usually all water. I come in just to have a look quickly before I got into my waders not earlier. I couldn't believe it. This this was all underwater. This riverbed, 32 degrees a day. We're not used to that kind of heat. Once in a blue moon, but what we had 4 or 5 heat waves this year, and that's not like the UK. Look how shallow the little pond is, man. He's fishing, yeah. Oh, look the size of that. That is the camera doesn't do it justice. Phew, you wouldn't want that brick coming out at the top on your head. Honestly, that I've got my stick in my hand. Even with my stick I can't touch the top. I'm nowhere near it. And I'm like 7 foot. You know? It gives us a little chance to have a look in the other, doesn't it? Never normally see in these places. It wasn't supposed to be a river going round there where I've just walked. This was the original river. But the beavers, digging the beaver and jobs, keep digging these dams. So you can see they've secured all the paths and that. There's a path behind there. And the water got diverted. Just happened naturally, they didn't plan it. But aye. That's how they've done it. God, I can't believe how shit that's normally right up the bricks again. Crazy. We're just wrapping it up. I thought I'd give them a little look to somewhere where it's normally underwater with that. I've never seen the bottom of this. I don't even know when that tree went over, to be honest. Not sure. Just check, see if I can see any bottles in there though. I've had bottles out of it. That is huge, that. I can't believe the very size of that. But aye, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget the like button, subscribe. I think 3/4 of people that watch aren't subscribed. So hit the subscribe. It costs nothing. It's all free. It's all free, kiddos. See you in the next adventure. Love yous all.